subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched the successor of last year launched Vivo V20 smartphone in India as Vivo V21 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V21 5G features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and the screen supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. The smartphone houses an 8GB of RAM that is said to be expanded by using 3GB of internal storage to offer up to 11GB of RAM, and it packs with 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo V21 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide plus depth sensor with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has a 44MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. The device comes equipped by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with FunTouch OS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.68 by 73.9 by 7.29mm, and it weighs around 176 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo V21 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,990 Indian rupees. While the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 32,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Arctic White, Dusk Blue, and Sunset Dazzle color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 6th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V21 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.